Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Bing AI, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing AI and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing AI apps on in the screen, where you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. So tap over there and now you can see the settings option. So once you tap on that option, you'll be redirected to the settings section where you can see the location option. So once you tap over there, you can change your location by searching from your search bar. So basically this is how you can change your location on Bing, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.